Here's a 2015 Kia Cadenza. With sophisticated luxury and exceptional performance, this Cadenza turns every commute into a private retreat. And it comes with all the amenities you need: Bluetooth wireless audio streaming, UVO, front heated leather bucket seats, rear parking sensors, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, gas pressurized shocks, and integrated navigation system with voice activation. Cars.com remarks your passengers will be pleased with the Cadenza's spacious back seat. It's as roomy as the rear seats in some long wheelbase full-size sedans. Kia, designed for fun, driven for thrills. The time is now. See it for yourself today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.